So today we will discuss about rectangular waveguide design by using HFSS software. So here we are designing a rectangular waveguide for X-band applications. So it can allow the frequencies from 8 to 12 gigahertz band. And coming to the dimensions, we are taking 22.86 mm to 10.16 mm. So here I am showing the rectangular waveguide. Okay. So here I designed a rectangular waveguide by using HFSS software. So in this design process, we have a radiation box. Okay, so in this radiation box, I am taking a material as a air and coming to the dimensions of the radiation box. These are the dimensions. And next, I created a metal that is assigned with copper material, and the dimensions of the metal box is shown here. And next, I filled that entire metal with the air. One rectangular box that contains a vacuum. That means inside we have the vacuum. So this is the structure of the rectangular waveguide. Now I will explain how to design this rectangular waveguide by using HFSS software. Okay. So initially you can assign these parameters. So how you assign HFSS? Design properties and just click on the add and type A and assign A value 22.86 mm, B value 10.16 mm, length 60 mm, and thickness 0.2 mm. So you can take initially these local variables. We are using these local variables in our design. Okay. Now I am creating a new file and HFSS. So new window will be created. Okay. Now I will keep the units in mm. So modular units mm. Okay. So I already said we have three types of solids: radiation box, copper substrates, and vacuum. Now I am creating a walls of the rectangular waveguide. Okay. So just to go to our window, project window, HFSS design, create a box and just assign the dimensions minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2 comma 0 and next x size a, take length units mm 22.86, click OK, and b value first none will be assigned with length and units mm and b value 10.16, click OK, and now assign x size a, y size b, z size l. So here I am taking L is equal to 60 mm. You can assign the local variables like this, or you can go directly to HFSS design properties and you can assign there also. So here I am creating a rectangular box along the Z direction. Okay. Now assign air material to this box. Air. Okay. Click OK. So air, you can give any, you can increase the transparency also and just apply, click OK. And next I am giving this material name is air. Okay. I'm just giving the air and assigned materials is also air. And just click Control C and Control V. Same dimensions, another rectangular box will be created. Okay, that is air 1. Name it as metal. Okay, and material will be assigned copper. Material will be copper. Okay, and you can assign a different color Click OK, apply, OK. Okay, and now I have to change the dimensions of this metal box. I'm just changing minus a by 2 minus t minus b by 2 minus t. Okay, and unit type length, and coming to value 0.2 mm thickness, and 2 into t. Next b value b plus 2 into t. Okay, and z size will be L. We already given 60 mm. Just click apply. Okay. Control D. Now you can see here two boxes will be created. Inner one is the air and outer one is the metal. Okay. Now you have to subtract these two boxes. Just control plus press control air, click air and metal and select the subtract option. You have to take metal left side and air right side. Click OK. Now see, metal box will be created. Okay, inside there is no material, there is no air, no vacuum, anything. So just a hollow rectangular shaped tube will be created. You can observe clearly. Okay, now we have to fill inside this gap with air material, air. Okay, so for this air, I'm just selecting air. Okay, just control C, again control V. So air 1 will be created. Just check the dimensions, minus a by 2 minus b by 2 0 a b l. Okay, so one box will be created, you can observe. Okay, so that will be assigned with a air. Okay, and name it as air 1. Apply and change the color. You can change the transparency also. Click OK. Now you can see air inside filled with air. Previously there is no material inside. Now air will be filled. Okay, now you have to assign a wave port. Okay, so you have to excite this rectangular to excite this rectangular wavelet. So how you excite? So just press F button. Okay, right click, assign excitation wave port. Okay, just click on integration line, new line. Select the inner box, the triangular shape, follow the arrow directions, select the inner top of the box. Click OK. You can see define. Just click on next, finish. So you can observe excitation here. Port 1 will be created. Now you have to create a port 2 in other side of the rectangular box. Now press F, select the box, one side of the sheet, assign excitation wave port, integration line, new line, and select the inner part of the sheet. You can see rectangular shape here. and follow the arrow direction and select the triangular shape symbol. So port 2 will be created. You can observe clearly. Port 1, port 2. Okay. Now you have to place this radiation box. Now you have to place radiation box. Okay. Inside that radiation box, you have to keep this rectangular box. Now creating another box. Okay. Name it as radiation. Okay. And material will be a different color. You can use the transparency also. Apply, click OK. Okay, now we have to assign the dimensions. Create box. Minus a by 2 minus 5 mm, comma minus b by 2 minus 5 mm, comma 0. These are the dimensions. And x size a plus 10 mm, y size b plus 10 mm. Okay, and z size L.